Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be teaching you guys how to trade stocks. And I know that's a very common term you guys hear. Oh, I'm a stock trader, or I'm a swing trader, day trader, forex trader, crypto trader. It almost seems like everybody nowadays is some sort of trader. But what does that mean, and is it worth it for you to become a trader? Well, guys, honestly, there's a variety of different trading styles, strategies, and then honestly, things you can swing trade. Some people swing trade baseball cards, or some people swing trade things that they pretty much think are going to go up in value with a time frame less than a year, but more than a day. Now, if you guys buy something and sell something in the same day, it's considered a day trade. Now, day trading is super fun and exciting because if you do it right, you guys can make literally hundreds of thousands of dollars. But look at these stocks that you're going to be looking at. All of these here are going to be super volatile stocks that go up and down at very rapid rates. Now, we can actually pull up one. Let's pull up this one right here. It's ticker symbol FAMI here. So you guys can see this is up quite a bit, 34%, which is beautiful. But look how volatile this stock is, right? It's gone from 77 cents all the way to $2 and pretty much 50 cents, sold off down to 29 cents, and is now up here at 57 cents. So the volatility with most stocks on the day trading side is going to be more volatile. These are going to be lower float stocks that, swing your account up and down. It's the absolute biggest thing with day trading is practice, and I can't preach that enough. But honestly, on Finvest, which is a stock screener, these are going to be more of the stocks that you will see swing trade, stocks that go up and down and up at pretty rapid rates here. Now, swing trading, on the other hand, is by far probably the better alternative of the trading community. The reason why is because, one, you can do it with a full-time job. You don't need to be as tuned into the markets. You can do it with, a full-time job. You can do it just very sporadically whenever you guys want to do it. And for me, I'm more of a swing trader than a day trader. In some cases, I do day trade if there's an opportunity, but about 95% of my trades are swing trades. So how do you find stocks and everything like that? So for me, you guys can actually go on the scanning tab right in here and create a stock scanner. But for about 99% of people out there, you want something that's a little more clearer to understand. So we'll go on Finvest and really see on how to find stocks that are undervalued in the short term and could easily go up in value very quick. So the first thing I like to do is I want to break down Finvest, okay? So you guys can see we have the three indexes, the Dow Jones, NASDAQ, and the S&P 500. We have the more volatile stocks down in here, top gainers, top losers, and all of those, most volatile, unusual volume, all of that. This is the S&P 500 broken down into sector, and when a stock is super red, that means it lost a lot of value, like Apple, which is down about 3%, okay, compared to Nvidia right in here, which is up about 1.5. Okay, so it's a really cool platform. It's very easy, and then these are all the headlines. These are a lot of the insider trading. Futures down in here, major news among companies, and you guys can see, looking at it, fundamental catalysts, which is like news, are very important if you play it right? If you would have bought into Apple's news, you'd have been down on all of them except Echo here. You'd be up around 52%. So it's very risky when you guys buy into a lot of catalysts, really. So as we continue, this is going to be the most important tab right in here. This is going to be the screener tab. So we're going to actually click that. One thing is there's always ads with Finvest, so we just got to close out of them, but that's all right. So we're going to click all right here. This is going to put everything all in one, the descriptive, the fundamental, and the technicals all in one place. So you don't have to be, actively clicking through them. So we're going to click all. We're going to go down to price. Okay, so for most of you guys, under $20 is a pretty good point. The reason why is because you can really capitalize on share size, and you can honestly have pretty solid trades and find stocks under that price point. Okay, we're going to want stocks that are heavily traded. So we're going to want an average volume of over anywhere from 500 to 750,000. That's kind of that good sweet spot. You always can adjust that one too. And now we're going to actually go ahead and we're going to go to relative volume, which is just the overall demand for the stock, okay? Anything over a 10, very volatile. we're going to go all the way to pretty much over either 1 or 0.75 or even 0.5. We'll start off with 0.75 and see where it goes. Okay, so now the total stocks we have left is about 549, but we still have a couple more filters to actually go ahead and filter out here. Okay, we're going to click this pattern. This is by far the most important tab. The reason why is because this is going to be pretty much how this software runs and finds opportunities. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to want a stock that's on very strong support if we're going to be buying in. If we're going to be shorting the stock, we're going to want it to be on resistance. So we're going to click support strong, and that breaks us all the way down to 33 stocks out of every stock in the stock market. So the next thing, we're going to want to click charts, and we're going to want to find stocks that have opportunities. So opportunities, very similar to like this one right here, BW. So now we slide that across and we type this in. We're going to go BW. We're going to click that, and now one thing you guys notice about this stock, what do you notice? Okay, one, we have a beautiful upward trend in stock price, which is very, very strong. The trend is your friend with any investment. Okay, never buy into pretty much a sinking ship. That's the biggest thing, and you guys will be way better. Now, if you guys look, when do you notice there is buying pressure among this stock? Now, you guys can see every time it comes near and around this yellow line, we have a tendency to see buying pressure enter. Okay, so it came in here. One time we got a huge explosion. Did a little bit of consolidating, sold off all the way down to the 200 moving average line, that yellow line. It went up about 15%, sold off. Okay, hit that yellow line, came back up another 15%, sold off. Hit it again, went up way more, all the way up about 23%, sold off, hit that 200 moving average line again, came back up, and now we've seen sell off back down to that 200 moving average line. So the 200 moving average line is a very, very strong support. So with it coming in contact with it, there's a couple things you guys can do. One, you can hop into this thing at about 655, set your stops, pretty much below 625, even at about, 635. So you're virtually risking, 20, 30 cents to possibly see this thing go up to $7, if not $7.50. So you're virtually risking 20 cents to make $1. Now, you could be virtually wrong with this stock about 5 times and still break even. So this is a prime example of understanding risk and reward, and that comes with time. So we'll draw it out a little clearer so you guys can see it. So this is where the stock has a tendency to get selling pressure, and then buying pressure is right in here. Boom. So you guys can see, and then it'll be a little clearer right in here. Okay, so with it hitting that support line, that brings massive opportunity to hop in at a massive discount. So we literally take this and we just continue to find stocks that have opportunity. So this is the biggest thing among traders, is just filtering stocks that meet your goals. So we continue, and the awesome part is if there's no stocks, that's fine. The reason why is because I would rather see you guys invest in a high quality stock that meets your criteria than a so-so stock that is more of on the risky side or something like that that doesn't meet your criteria. Now, obviously, you guys can get rid of ads if you guys actually spend a little money on this platform. It's about $30 a month if you have the platinum version, which gives you no ads, real time, all that stuff. Or you can just do the free version like I'm doing and just click X and close out the ads. But anyways, so this is another one right here that does bring us a little more of a short opportunity. So it's UUU. We'll pull it up so you guys can see, a buy and a short. So you guys can see this stock has a tendency to sell off near that $7 mark. Boom, boom, hit it. So I think we're going to get a little sell off. It's a little overvalued on the RSI. I think we'll get a dip down to about 650 to 615, if not possibly all the way down here at about 550. So this would be a prime example of a stock that brings a little more of a short opportunity than a long-term or a long-term swing trade or something like that. So guys, this is how you guys can start trading the market. And with day trading is going to be a little bit of a different scanner, different software. But if we get over 55 likes, I'll go ahead and make a video on how I find stocks for day trading. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And overall, I hope you guys got something of value. And we'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care.